Hey ghouls, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to do this zombie makeup look. So let's get started. Starting off with my Mehron ProColoRing Bruise wheel. I'll eventually use all the colors in this palette, but for now I'm just starting with a few of them and placing the colors around my eyes and mouth. I really want to create that bruised, sickly zombie look and build up a lot of discoloration around the face. Then I'm taking a fluffy brush and just blending everything out to make it look more smudgy and realistic. Now I'm going into this olive green color and adding some of that around the face. Then I'll also be adding some of the other colors from the bruise wheel and just mixing everything together until I'm happy with how the bruising looks. Next, I'm taking some Mehron Coagulated blood and this little textured sponge, and I'm adding that around my mouth, eyes, and neck to start getting everything nice and zombified. Then I'm taking a black eyeshadow and adding that around some of those same areas just to darken everything up and give the face more of that dead, sunken in look. I want to make the teeth all gross looking, so I'm going to be using Mehron Tooth FX in Nicotine and Spinach. I'm starting off by drying my teeth with a paper towel because it's a lot easier to apply when it's dry. I'm applying the yellowish Nicotine one first and the green one after that. Going back into the bruise wheel, I'm just going to be adding some more colors here and there. Now I wanted to add in one other type of blood, so I have a combination of two different bloods. This is Mehron Stage Blood, which is a bit brighter and more red, so I'm just applying some of that throughout. And for the last step, I'm just popping in my zombie contacts. And there she is, fully zombified.